How to change Instagram notification ringtone. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now, once on your profile, tap on the hamburger menu at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll be navigated to Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy screen, scroll down and tap on Notification option available there. On the notification screen, tap on the Post, Stories and Comments option available. Then scroll down and tap on Additional options in System Settings. Now select the notification type you want to assign a custom sound for. Then tap on Sound and select any of your choice. This will change the notification sound for Instagram app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.